Now you will learn how to use MetaTrader 4 on your phone even as a beginner. I will show you how to log in, navigate in the app, open trades, and in the end I will give you a great alternative app for trading. First, let me give you a bit of background on what is MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 used to be one of the leading platforms and apps in the world, and it's still popular today. It has more than 10 million downloads and hundreds of thousands of positive reviews on Google Play Store. MT4 was officially released in July 2005, so it has a very long track record. However, MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and users have slowly shifted from MT4 to MT5 because it's a newer and more advanced version with more features and asset support. Just to give you a quick idea on the popularity, you can see MetaTrader 4 on the red and MetaTrader 5 on the blue, and you can see MT5 is increasing while MT4 is decreasing in popularity. You will find the MetaTrader 5 tutorial also on my YouTube channel right here. I will leave you a link in the description for my MT5 tutorial and also other great resources for trading. Because if you have to make a choice between using MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, I recommend using 5. Even though MetaTrader was originally created for forex trading, as you can see here, nowadays you can trade different assets such as crypto, gold and commodities, indices and stocks depending on the broker. And notice that MT4 or MT5 are not brokers, but you will connect your broker account into these platforms and trade. And now let me show you how to set up MetaTrader 4. We will start from zero. I will uninstall the app and then we install to show you the process for beginners. Then you click here open. It explains to you some rules and regulations. You click here accept. It says open a demo account and I click here open an account. And you can see my demo account was opened immediately. If you want to connect with a broker to trade with real funds, you can come here on the top left corner. Then you click here manage accounts and you click this plus icon right here and it says here log into an existing account. You click right here and here you will find your broker, for example Exness, and you will find many servers for Exness. Here are also IC markets, and in the same way you can choose any broker you want. You choose your server right here and then you put your login details right here that you get from your broker. I have created tutorials where I show you how to connect with different brokers. For example, how to trade with BYBIT on MetaTrader 5, how to connect with BitGet, and there are hundreds of different brokers available. And if you want me to show how to connect a specific broker to MT4, you can simply come right here in the comment section and you can type your comment here how to connect MT4 with Exness or whatever broker you want. And then you send your comment right here and I look forward to reading your requests. Keep in mind that some brokers only support MT5 and some brokers are slowly dropping support for MT4 because MT5 is generally better. Just to give you a quick example, if I click here for plus, log into existing account, if I search for BYBIT on MT4, it's not supported because it only works with MT5, which is a better app. Now let's go back to the home page and here you will see quotes. I will show you also in a moment the other tabs right here. You will see here different trading pairs and at the moment these are only for forex trading, but depending on your broker you are able to add many other assets. You would do it by clicking here plus and here the brokers will show other assets, for example crypto, commodities, stocks, indices and other ones. price. At the moment I'm only using this demo account on MT4 to illustrate the process. Here you will be able to choose your trading pairs. You can see that gold is also here and silver. Then you can go back and you will see them right here on the home page. I usually like to use a simple view mode, so I click right here, then I click here simple view mode, and you can see that it looks much cleaner. Then if you want to remove some assets that you are not trading actively, you can click this pencil icon on the top, then you click this trash can icon, and then you start tapping the ones that you don't want to use, click the trash can again, and you can see it looks much cleaner. If you want to get information about any trading pair, you can hold like this, and then you can click here symbol properties, and it will show you the information. Here on the second tab, you will see the charts, you will see how the prices are going up or down. You can also get this chart window for different trading pairs by coming back to home. Then you can click right here and click here open chart, and you can see loading chart data. Now it shows US dollar versus Canadian dollar. And you can also change trading pairs here on the top. For example, let's say US dollar against Japanese yen, and it downloads the data and shows it right here. You are able to zoom out, zoom in, and by clicking these ones you can even draw lines on your chart to analyze the prices. On the computer you can do even more detailed analysis, but this gives you a quick idea on the price actions. Here on the third one you will see your balance, equity and free margin, and you will see your open trades right here on this white area. Then on the fourth tab you will see the history, so your previous trades. On the fifth one you will see the news, you can add them here, and then here you will see the messages, also known as notifications, when you register or sign in. When you click on the top left corner, you are able to see also economic calendar. You can join traders community, you can adjust your settings right here, and you can also get more information about MetaTrader 4. When you want to open trades, you can click right here, and then you can hold right here, and you can click here new order, and here you can go long by clicking buy or go short by clicking sell. If you click buy, you expect the first asset, in this case euro, to go higher. If you click sell, you expect the second asset to win, in this case US dollar. And once you have opened the trades, you can manage them here on the third tab on balance and equity when you see your open trades. Keep in mind that most brokers that work with MT4 and 5 only support CFD trading, which means that you cannot own assets directly. You have to use leverage, which increases risks a lot. That's why for beginners I recommend better and safer apps where you can get real ownership into the assets. I will show you one of the best ones in a moment. And let me show you another reason for using other apps, because if I click here new order and I click here buy, you can see what happens. Market closed. It didn't accept my trade because the trading is only available at specific market opening hours. You can see another example. I click here sell, and you can see market closed and order rejected. And that's why I want to show you one of the best trading apps in the world right now, and it's called BYBIT app. I will show you a couple of details in a moment and how you can learn more, because I will also leave you the first link in the description right here below the video, where you can grab the best welcome rewards on BYBIT. When you click right here, you will see my face, my name, and the details of your welcome rewards on this sign up page, and you can create your free account right here. On BYBIT you can get a direct ownership on many assets by coming here into trade and spot, because here you can buy many of these, in fact hundreds of different cryptocurrencies directly, and you can withdraw them into your own wallet to have a true ownership. Just to give you a quick example on how the spot trading works, I simply scroll this one to the right, I click here buy, and that's how I got some Bitcoin in front of your eyes. They also provide futures trading, which is of course a higher risk, but potentially a higher return, options trading, and then also TradFi trading. And now instead of going into the MT5 app, you can trade this TradFi product including metal, stocks, indices, forex, commodities right here on the BYBIT app. And keep in mind that crypto trading works 24/7, so you can do it any time of the week, any time of the day. You also notice that it's much easier to use than MT4, the nicer interface, and BYBIT has much more products available. For example, if I come here into more and I click here for finance, you notice that they have earn products available right here, where you can get a nice boost for your funds. Then they also provide loan products. They also provide a card, so you can use crypto and other assets on your BYBIT account directly in real life for paying for your food, for your shopping, travels, flights, hotels, whatever you need. And when you scroll right here, you notice that they provide so many more products, including automated trading bots. That is also a great option. And of course, are some welcome rewards that you can redeem right here on the rewards hub. If you want to learn more on BYBIT, on how to claim your welcome rewards, how to use BYBIT for beginners, how to use BYBIT app, automated trading bots, and my real BYBIT trading results, you will see all of that on my BYBIT playlist right here. Simply take one of your fingers right now, click right here in the corner, and learn to use BYBIT like a pro.